Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to be making a aluminum fidget spinner. To be cheap though, all you need is like two things: Elmer's glue, any kind really, and some tin foil or aluminum foil. It doesn't really matter. So, be right back. Be right back, yo. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just got my aluminum foil. You're gonna have to rip it or cut it since I'm too cheap. I don't feel like buying no scissors. So cut it in half or rip it in half, whatever one you want. You put it around the sides. Quick shout out, I'm not giving out any fidget spinners, but I will give a link into the description. So if I know how to do that, because I'm just a new subscriber. I'm just a new YouTube channel, so. Got one side down. Gotta squeeze it. Got one side. I'm not going to be using glue for this one, so. Yeah. Got one side down. Just do the same thing with it again. Okay. Got two sides down. I could not do this with someone filming me because no one else is here and everybody doesn't know, really nobody wants to do anything, so okay. And there we go. See? Boom. Any color you want, all you have to do is just add some paint or, just some marker. And there you go. Just made a fidget spinner. Now let's do some fidget spinner tricks. Boom. Look at this dude. Nah, 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 nah.